Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm going to continue where I left off from last time. So, there's one situation I want to address, and that's if key hand is equal to 22. The problem is, we can have a pair of aces to make 22, or we can have 12 and get a 10, and that's also 22. Okay, so this thing will know the difference. So, I will know the difference by this equal 22 and paired equal false. Equals false. Then we have to set that action. We have to hard code it back to. So we're just overriding it. We're going to set it to you for his boss, your boss. Okay. So that's where we override. And I'm going to put a comment here. Handle SPMI splits. He's not going to handle all splits. What it is, there's certain things in splits that I may handle here, or may handle in other function. I don't know where yet. But I'm just putting that to just remind me that I can handle some splits here, certain scenarios. Okay, another hand that you have to handle, but I'm not sure, is if you have got 33. But what I was thinking is, how can you get 33? For this to make a difference, you'd have to get 33 in here. Okay, so for instance, if I'm gonna put something in, I'm gonna more than, let me just put 32. So I'm just gonna put, I want to find out where this is. I want to get 198. Let's just make it a bit dramatic so that I pay attention to it. Okay, so that will happen. So what I need to do is, I'm going to put a note here. We move after test. So what I can do is, I can run a billion trials, and when I do this, when I get to a certain state, I can run a billion trials, and if this ever comes up, then I'll have to change the code. Otherwise, I just delete this line, delete all of this, and I'll have to think any of it. Okay, but this is one of the things where, in theory, you think, yes, I'm right, I might be right, and then if you go on that hunch, if you're wrong, you're gonna have a big bug in your code, and you won't be able to find it. Whereas I can settle the issue now by just carrying on as normal, and then doing a billion trial and seeing the result. And I could even put it here. I could even put if key hand equals that. If key hand equals 22 or 33 or 44 or 55, and I could do that, but I'm just curious as can the hand ever be over 31? So I'm going to put that there, and let me just make that smaller. Let's just put that there. And this is the end of the method. Now, populate cards is now finished. So what I have to do is, I have to write some tests for it. So test a lot of scenarios like ace and 6, ace 4. There's not going to be any split. I'm not going to do the splits yet. So I'm gonna wait until this is tested before I do any splits. So I'm going to where's that again? Let me just minimize that. Populate. So what it is, this is where it started. Populate dealer. So for a quick test, right there, that's okay. Here, that's populate dealer. So it gets to run here. So it should alter my cards. So let me see. So all I have to do is to console.log my cards. And what I want to do, in fact, I want to put this in the config, so I'm going to put show cards. I'm going to set that to true. And then if config dot cards, then we'll do this. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I've finished populate cards. I need to test it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, let's just save that. I'm going to stop the video. In the next video, I'll test all the things that we just did in these couple of videos with populate cards. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Until next time, bye.